Did you know there might be a hidden planet in our solar system right now? Some scientists believe it's lurking beyond Neptune, with a mass 10 times that of Earth. Odd orbits of distant celestial objects point to something massive pulling on them. Simulations suggest a 90% probability that these anomalies are caused by an undiscovered planet. Based on models, it could be a frozen giant, orbiting the sun once every 10,000 to 20,000 years, sitting at least 200 times farther than Earth. Astronomers call it Planet X. Could it rewrite what we know about our cosmic neighborhood, or will it stay hidden forever?